Alright guys, so update on the 2020 Sherco SEF 300 that we had no spark on. Ended up was going to swap the CDI over to a new bike and went to disconnect the CDI and noticed real quick when I disconnected it there was a little bit of corrosion down in there. You can see that. So I started looking closer and there's actually an entire pin missing. So it broke off right right at the end of the plastic. It just like kind of got a little rusted and it took nothing, it broke off. The real problem is it's still in here, so we've got to be able to pull. You see it right underneath K there. So we're gonna have to be able to pull it out of there with some tweezers or something without damaging anything, and get that all cleaned up so we don't have to replace the wiring harness. We can just get another ECU. So yeah, it's not that I don't think this is a problem on Shercos that I know of. I just think this bike I know got drowned in a creek, and there may have just been a little moisture or something got in there. So just something to check if you have no spark or an issue with your Sherco SEF. Check these connectors. Alright, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.